How to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, firstly, launch your Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure that your Instagram is up to date and you are logged in into your Instagram account. From here, head over to the DM section and click on the conversation. To turn on your Vanish mode, all you had to do is simply swipe up. When you swiped up, the Vanish mode is initiated, in which you can easily send a message and it gets disappeared after a while. Now to turn it off, it is pretty simple as well. Just like how you turned it on, that is by swiping up. Again, swipe up to turn it off. And just like that, your Vanish mode has been turned off. If the feature is not available for you, you need to launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. Alternatively, open up your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on System Update. You need to make sure your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of your apps. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.